Welcome back everyone to another video on the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up the Infinite GPT Pixel on your Shopify store step by step. Let's get started. First, click on Add New Pixel. Enter any name for your pixel. Next, you'll need your GPT Pixel ID. To get this, you must have an OpenAI Ads account. I've already set mine up, and for this tutorial, I already have 2 test pixels created. I'll select one of them, copy the pixel ID, and paste it into the app. Now, we need the conversion access token. Go back to your OpenAI Ads account, click on Conversion Keys, and create a new key. Copy the conversion key and paste it into the app. Next, enable test mode since we're using this setup for testing. Once you've finished testing and everything is working correctly, don't forget to turn test mode off. Now choose where you want the pixel to run. You can also choose specific areas such as a collection, product page, or any other supported section. I'll select entire store. On the right-hand side, you can already see that the pixel is fully configured and ready to use. Click Save, and your GPT Pixel has now been successfully added. For accurate conversion tracking, you'll also need to create a conversion inside your Ads Manager. Open Conversions, select your data source, and complete the required setup. Now, let's visit the store and test everything. As you can see, the event is firing successfully, which confirms that the pixel has been installed and is tracking correctly. That's it for this quick tutorial on setting up the Infinite GPT Pixel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.